Hello all, welcome. Today is workout in your PJs day. And I'm so excited. I just got my pajamas from pajamagram.com. I love these pajamas. They're so comfortable, they're so soft, and they don't irritate my skin. Feels great. So check them out and let's get to it. All right, a little exercise for today. We're going to start with our hip movement. So we're taking little circles with the hips around town. Always do what's right for you. You can make the movement smaller or bigger. Reverse. Take it around for 4 and 3. Yummy. 2 and 1. Now let's just do a little march. Pick up those knees. And we can pump those arms. Good. So you can work out right in the comfort of your own room. Not just your home, but in your room. Don't need much space. And we're going to be doing some more videos. We'll be in the bed doing them. So you can start your workout as soon as you wake up. And do your devotions, whatever you do, your prayers, and get right to it. Ooh, balance. 4 more marches. So who knows? Maybe this will wake you up. You'll feel better. Shake it out. And you can ditch the coffee perhaps, or cut down on it at least. Okay, let's just give a shake. Shaking helps to relax the body. It feels great. Okay, so now we're going to do a side bend. Hold your stomach in. Modified is here, the elbow flexed. We'll just do a couple of modifieds here. Abs in. Ooh, that feels good. Go as far as you're comfortable. And you're moving with the breaths. We're not holding our breath. Okay, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale as you come back up. Now, if you want, you can extend the arm out. Good. Bring it over and extend. Ooh, big difference. Reach. And reach. Let's see if we can get 2 more in there. And reach. So glad you're here. All right, taking care of yourself, your body, your temple. And relax. Let's just swing those arms out and in. Then swing them back. There we go. And shake that loose. Okay, one more thing. Let's do some neck circles. I find this really helps to loosen up the neck, especially if it's stiff or tight with the breaths. One more this direction. And then the other way. Relax those shoulders now for 4. 3. Yeah, I hear some cracky noises. And 2. You can make the movement smaller. 1 more. All right, lift those shoulders up, drop, roll it back. Excellent, nice little stretch break today. Okay, let's take cleansing breath. Inhale, up. Press it down with a little sit down there. And up. Inhale, press down. Okay, 1 more. Press. We're going to flip those palms up, stretch it back as far as you're comfortable, and then give yourself a hug. Great job. Get your pajamagram pajamas. All right, see you in the next video. Peace and love. Ta-ta.